How to make easy milkfish sarciado. First things first, let's season our fish fillets with salt. Next, we dredge the fillets in flour. And then we fry the fillets. Flip to cook the other side. And once done, set aside. Next, we heat oil in a pan and we saute garlic and onion. We add tomatoes, and then we add some fish sauce and some crushed pepper. We cook for a few minutes, and then we add 2 cups of water. Cover and let it boil. Afterwards, we add back the fish. Cover it again and cook for some minutes. And then it's time to add 3 beaten eggs. And we're done. Just garnish with some spring onions upon serving. Thank you for watching.